Hello, good afternoon, welcome to Your Next Cars YouTube channel. Wasim here presenting you a short video presentation of this gorgeous 420i Grand Coupe we have in. The purpose of this video is to help you make an informed buying decision. I'll talk you through some of the features and options as well as some of the aesthetic styling upgrades which we've carried out in-house. This is a 2015 65 reg, 6-speed manual with cruise control Grand Coupe, presented in carbon black metallic with some really nice factory options. First one you'll notice is the tilt and slide sunroof, which is very rare on this model. We fitted the kidney grills and the front splitter, 3-piece, gloss black 19-inch 405M style alloys, gloss black side vinyls. You see the exterior mirrors with a carbon effect, rear privacy glass, gloss black rear spoiler and rear diffuser. Car is currently badged. If you prefer it to be debadged, please ask. Automatic tailgate and absolutely huge boot in these, which makes them so popular. Will be fully machined and detailed, so if you can see any sort of hairline or fingerprints or anything like that on the car, don't worry, it's going to have a professional machine and polish before it goes out. Split folding rear seats, as I said, center armrest and three seats in the back with Isofix. Interior comfort pack with the black Dakota leather, electric front seats with driver's memory and number support, electric folding wing mirrors, extended storage, automatic headlights, rain sensors, park sensors front and rear with visual and audio display, professional widescreen navigation system, full BMW service history up until 2020, next service is due in 7,000 miles. Let's take a look at the widescreen nav there, that's in split screen mode. And the service history. Sorry, I'm probably whizzing through this really quickly. It's been a very hectic day, but I'm always keen to get these cars advertised. 7,000 miles to the next oil change. Same for the front brakes, and rear brakes are 9,000. Here we see the service history, 59 right down to 19 right the way. All the original handbooks. Interior again, very tidy. I'll just show you the motion of the sunroof, so it does slide back as well. HP and PCP available, up to 60 months. Finance calculator on our website and application, so please do go ahead and quote yourself. If you require any assistance, please call us, email, text or WhatsApp. Thanks very much for watching. Thank you.